Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 24th of February 2021 question number 8. It's a memory based question. A is A 5,0 and B minus 5,0 are two fixed point and P is moving point such that PA is equal to 3PB and radius of locus of P is R, then 4R squared is equal to what? So this is the question in the house of geometry. So at first the question provide the 2 point which is A and B. So the point A is equal to 5,0 and B is equal to minus 5,0. These are the 2 point and let P be on the 2 point and P point B, P is the unknown point, moving point, so P be x comma y, and the condition is given here, that is PA is equal to 3PB. So PA is equal to 3PB. Now PA is equal to, so from the distance making formula we know x minus 5 whole square plus y square is equal to 3 into root over PB is equal to x plus 5 whole square plus y square. So squaring both sides we get x minus 5 whole square plus y square is equal to 9 into x plus 5 whole square plus y square. Now simplifying this, here we get 9x square minus x square, so that is 8x square plus 8y square plus 100, it is 25 into 2, so it is 100x plus 200 is equal to 0. So now dividing with 8, here we get x square plus y square plus 25 by 2 into x plus 25 is equal to 0. Now radius of locus of P is R. So from the equation we got it that it is the equation of the circle. So here is the radius, R is equal to, we know R square is equal to G square plus F square minus C. So G square is equal to 25 by 4 whole square plus F square is equal to 0 minus C is equal to 25. So that is equal to here 25 into 25, that is 625 by 16 minus 25. So after calculating, here we get 225 divide 16, and we should calculate the value 4R square. So 4R square, therefore 4R square is equal to 4 into 225 divide 16. So it is 225 by 4. Now it is 56.25 is the answer. So we reached, it is our required answer, and here is the whole solution. Now moving to question 8, sorry it is 8, question 9. So question 9 is the area bounded by the a curve is given here. Equation is given here, that is minus that is 5x square less or equal to y less or equal to 2x square plus 9 is 4 options are given. This is the question in the house of area bounded by the curve, and it's a memory based question, and it is also JEE Main Ship 2 24th of February 2021 question. So at first let's draw the curve. This is the two axes here, x and y axis. So it is x and it is y axis, and here is the first parabola, which is y is equal to, this is y is equal to x square, 5x square, sorry. This is the parabola y is equal to 5x square. Now another parabola is given here, that is y is equal to 2x square plus 9. So this is the parabola which is defined y is equal to 2x square plus 9. So the touching point, we should calculate the touching point, this and this. So the intersection point, and both are symmetric to y-axis, as it is y is equal to x square plus 9. So now 0 is the point, and so therefore first condition is both are symmetric. Both are symmetric. Secondly, therefore the point of intersection we should calculate after solving these two equation. So for this, comparing this, it is where you get 5x square is equal to 2x square plus 3. So 3x square is equal to 3, therefore x is equal to therefore the point is root 3 comma minus root 3. So this is the point. So this is root 3, here we get root 3, and this is minus root 3. So this axis, this is the region we should calculate. This is the required area. So this area we should calculate. Now move on to the answer. So area is equal to twice integration 0 to root 3 and 2x square plus 9. It is our first parabola, and deducting this 5x square, this is the zone required area. So 2 integration 0 to root 3, 9 minus 3x square dx. So that is equal to 2 integrating this, here we get 9x minus x cube divide, that is within the limit 0 to root 3, that is equal to 2 9 root 3 minus 3 root 3, and it is 0. So here we get 2 into 6 root 3. So 2 into 6 root 3 is equal to 12 root 3. So this is our required answer, 12 root 3, and our option 3 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution. So this is the whole solution of question 9. Now moving to question 10. So now question 10. If a and b are the subset of x of x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then find the probability such that n A intersection B is equal to 2. 4 options are given. So we should calculate the probability. So at first we calculate the total pairs and the favorable case. So the set is given here. It's also memory based question. Set is given here, that is x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let a comma b is subset of S. So the total pairs A comma B is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5, that is equal to 2 to the power 10. Now the how can it happen? As first condition is, it is happened that either A is either only A, number 2 is either only B, S is either only B, or number 3 none of the two. So this could be happened. Now the favorable case is what? Now the favorable case is equal to 5C2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So these are the 3 cases, as because 3 into 3 into 3. So this is 10 into, as 5C2 is equal to 10 and it is 27. So it is 270. Now the probability. So the probability is equal to, we may say 270 favorable case divide total pairs is equal to 2 to the power 10. So that is 135 divide 2 to the power 9. So I think we reached, this is our required answer. We should calculate the probability here, and our option 4 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 10. So these are the 3 solutions, 8, 9 and 10. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.